Hello guys, and welcome to the Bliss of Education. So in today's tutorial I'm going to create digital clock using the CSS and JavaScript. Right, now you can see in the terminal we have some message and this is our host location and we are host the local disk E and digital clock, and we rename it as a digital clock JavaScript tutorial. Right, here's the our project file. Right, for this today tutorial I need to prepare HTML file, and let's say index.html and select CSS file for style.css and JavaScript file for script .js. Right, now we can see in our file explorer we have the index.html file and script.js file, and we have the for an styling part for CSS file. Right, nice. Now I'm come for my index.html file. Now we can manage our file to see look perfectly. When I select the CSS file, I'm come to this split editor. When you click on it, you can see the split. It will get splitted into my scene. Right here on right side we have the CSS file, and left side we have the index.html file. Right, move on. I have already installed the Emmet, and that's for when I'm using Emmet. I'm going to fill it out my index.html file within the boilerplate. Okay. Right, now we can give it a name, and if I say digital clock, right? And now I'm going to link this my style sheet into this file, and we can say link, and it will get the href link to, and when you can link to these together, you can combine this file together. Right, now I'm going to create my first div, and for this div we need to use the ID. Because we are using JavaScript, we need to get the ID. We need to call from the ID to inside our JavaScript, and that reason I'm using the ID. It's easy for me. And let's say clock. Right, now we can define text here, and let's say the time is now. Okay, save it. I'm going to get preview to my live server. Right, now you can see here. Right, and first of all I need to reset my CSS sheet. Then I'm come to my style.css, and we can say margin. Yeah, now you can see we have face some problem. The auto completion is not working. The reason we have here, you can see here we have enabled the post CSS language module. It's arrived for us from the Tailwind CSS. you can see the previous tutorial. I have a lot of term CSS, and for this, that is the reason to get the post CSS in here. Now you can select the CSS, and now we can get the auto completion. Right, now we can set margin and padding also 0. Now box size, you can follow me, and let's set font family as the sans serif. Save it. Now you can see it will change, right? And then I'm going to select my body tag. Let's say display flex. Justify content center. I need to have some problem in here with this. Let's try again. Yeah, we have some problem with this. Let's say font tryout. Let's say background color black. Yeah. There's no need to be worried. It's work. Yeah, it's work. Okay. Let's say display flex. And justify content into center. Align items center. Let's set minimum height 100 viewport, because we need to get full width, full height. And let's set the finally we can set the background color and 0601 F, right? Now you can see we get nice looking. It's similar to navy blue, right? Okay, right, we have no problem with this, right? I don't know why this function indicate with the weight. I don't know. Okay, right, now I'm going to call this ID. Let's call clock, and I need to select this. Inside the clock ID we have header 2, and I'm going to modify this, and we can say relative position. And let's set the display as block. And color as white. Save it. Right, now we can see. And text align center, margin 10 pixels, and now set the font width into 700. Text transform, uppercase and letter spacing 0.4, RAM value try out. Right, now you can see, and let's increase our font size, and we can set 0.8 millimeters. White, perfect. Right now, and when I come to my HTML section, I'm create new division, and let's give it ID, and we can call into this time, right? In this division I prepared span. Let's generate a span, tag into this, okay, and I'm going to add ID, and we can call hover for this. Let's set 00 value, and then create new span for this, and this is for we can say hours, then save it. Right now you can see here, right, when I come to here my style sheet, and now we can select our clock ID, right, and now I'm going to call this time, right. We can set display flex, okay. Still we have no items to get review, and I'm going to make duplicate from this text. You can use the Alt Shift and down arrow key to add some duplicates, and now I'm going to change this into minutes, and change this into seconds. We can also change this to second, right. Now I'm going to prepare another div for which is to display the AM and PM to generate, and you can, for an example I will show you, if example I will show for my previous project, you can see the PM and AM shows in here, and now and let's set these AM and PM dash PM. Right. Change this into AM. Wait. Okay, when I comes to again my CSS sheet, and now I'm going to again define clock time, and I'm going to select this div inside this, and here position relative margin, and let's set 0.5 pixels. Right, now I am again call this ID clock time, and I'm going to select this div, and now I need to select the span tag. Now we can set the position relative display block with 100 pixels height. Let's set the 18 pixel. Set the background and I have color, so I have select early F3 white. It's perfect. Now you can see I'm going to make this text into white. Now we can say color white. You can see white. Let's set some font weight 300 and can display as flex. Justify content center. times center. Font size 3em, and let's set the index value as 10, minimum value. Right. Now I am come to my this site, WebKit. Box effect below pixel linear gradient. Okay, now we can set transparent now we can choose color. Right now we can see the reflection here. And we have the when it comes to here, and now we can define box shadow. One pixel. Let's set RGB alpha channel. You can see wait for 0. Actually we don't need, we need only alpha channel. 2. Right. Now I'm going to select again my ID, and this time I'm going to select the time ID also. Right. And let's select the net child 2, and span set height pixel font size 0.7 rem unit right. Now you can see we have nice the time counters. Okay, right now you can see we have nice time counters. And right, let's continue this. Now you can see with a space. Font weight is 400 and let's set C index again. Set the box shadow on 7 FD 6. Now you can see it will change. And let's set the text transform uppercase, and now you will get the all capital letters. Right, now I'm going to again select clock, last child number 1 in span. Let's set background RGB value (47) 99. Save this, and now you can see the AM. This our last box, the which means number 1. This is our first, and now you can see the order, and this is our first and last child first, and last child second here, this one, last child third, and last child fourth. Okay, it is counting order the bottom to top. Okay, clock time And now I'm going to color the separate this section from the, we can use for this span. Okay, span net one. Let's try out. Div child 1, and now we can select the span. Again repeat the process. Net last child. Okay, because I said we are counting bottom to top. Okay, last one to first one. From last one we are starting count from last one. Okay? Now we can change the color background. RGB, and I'm going to take same color and little bit let's make it dark. Oh, I make mistake. Why? This is not correct, child. Let's change into 4. To find this problem. This can't be. Yeah, the problem. Now you can see here we forget the last child. I say now we can see number 1. What? Oh my god, I need to copy it again. Let's change it a bit dark like this. Right, now we will get the perfect color. Right, and I'm going to change color a little bit, and I have choosing color for early. Let's try out. White, this color perfect. Right, now our CSS section is over. Now I need to make this clock worked. Okay, and now I'm come to my launch my JavaScript file in slide, and before we are going to launch this we need to link, and when I put script tag, you can use inline CSS method to external CSS method, external or internal, okay, any method you can use. And then I'm select external method, script.js, right? Now we have already linked my JavaScript file into this, and let's add some comment. JavaScript, right? Now I'm going to open my JavaScript file in one side, right? Now firstly I'm going to call function right. In the function we need to call the name. Here is the our ID, and I'm going to call this ID clock. Now I'm going to create variable var, and this variable for I'm going to create the hours, okay. Let's say hours, and now we can say document dot get element by ID. Now we need to call the from this ID, okay. However, alright, and repeat this process and change this one into minutes. And this one 2 seconds. Right. And also we need to define the AM for the variable. Let's say var and AM PM, give variable name. Now we can see document dot get element by ID, and now we can link AM PM, right. Now I'm going to define variables in here. Let's say var get hours. This one into him. Minutes, and change this one into seconds. Right. Right, now let's write variable if condition. If age and 12 minus 12. This one for minutes. And change this one into seconds. In here we can say hours dot in HTML interval set interval right. Now you can see first one work. Right, let's write for minutes dot in HTML and we leave for m right. Now you can see hours and minutes also work. finally we need to apply second. Seconds in HTML. Right, work. Now you can see our current time is available on this. Right, finally I'm going to link to get work my AM and PM, right, and AM PM dot in HTML Right, now you can see here the AM and PM undefined. Yeah, the problem is we are not defined AM and PM as a variable. Okay, again I'm going to create variable for AM. You can say AM. Right, now it's work. Right, now you can see our clock work perfectly, and now you can see it will be appear the now time is the 1:31 after morning. Right, thank you guys for watching this today tutorial, and keep support me for subscribing and sharing this tutorial. I will see you in the new tutorial, and bye for now.